Welcome back to another episode of Food with Viktor. Today we're gonna cook fried rice. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And in this video we're gonna go more in detail what the fried rice is, what is the essential pieces, and where did it came from. So if you only want the recipe and nothing more, I suggest you switch from this video or read the description down below. And if you're still with me now, I really recommend to watch the whole video and don't skip any part. I got some tricks and hacks that will help your fried rice to go to the next level. And let's talk a little bit about what fried rice really is. And for me it's really more of a concept. Well, it's Asian dish, yes, and it's rice in it. But there are so many variations from different cultures that I can't really put my finger on it. And as you can see, I'm a rice lover, so fried rice is one of my go-to dishes when I want to clean the fridge or just want to have something quick, easy and comforting. And yes, as you can see here, I'm using shrimp in this recipe. You can vary the fried rice with chicken, beef or whatever actually protein you like. And since I'm gonna cook a Thai fried rice here, this is an essential part of the dish. And this dip is called Prik pla. And basically what it is, it's a fish sauce with chilies, and I like to add some garlic, but we'll come back to that later. And let's talk a little bit about fish sauce. Fish sauce is one of the essential dishes when it comes to a Thai version of the fried rice. When it comes to other countries like China or Indonesia, there is more of a darker soy that has more essential part in those dishes. And when choosing your fish sauce, try to go to the Asian store and ask for high quality fish sauce. I usually alternate between these two, and I'm sure there's plenty more good quality fish sauces, so ask your local Asian shop, they will know better than me. And when it comes to the chilies for the sauce, I'm using a bird eye chili. And if you ask for Thai chilies, this is what you get. And a good tip here is to buy a bunch and put them in the freezer. They're good for a long time. And as I said, I like to put garlic in my sauce, and we're gonna put garlic in the fried rice as well. And here's a little bit of a life hack for you. If you want to peel a lot of garlic cloves at the same time, put them in a pot and shake it and do the dance. And like a magician, everyone is peeled and ready to go. Just to make something clear here, the original recipe for the Prik pla don't use fresh garlic in it. It uses a squeeze of lemon instead. That's also really good. So this is more like what you prefer. Do you really like garlic? Use the garlic. If you don't like garlic that much, you can just use the juice from half lime. Now I'm using shrimp as I said before, and I like to boil my shrimps a little bit before. When frying them, they get a little bit tough sometimes, so I want to have them nicely, perfectly boiled and add them on top of the beautiful fried rice. And as you can see here, I'm using regular yellow onion and also garlic. And this is kind of the base for pretty much any fried rice. Rice, onion, garlic, and egg is usually also used. And some kind of protein sometimes, but not always. And what usually sets different styles of fried rice apart is usually the sauce you use. In Thai, as I said, you use a lot of fish sauce. In China, you use more of a soya based. And this is the moment when I found out that my wok pan doesn't use induction. So I'll use a regular frying pan instead. So wok pan, shame on you, and go in the naughty corner. Since not every one of you might be having a wok pan home, this might be more accurate recipe for you when I'm using the frying pan as well. And just put your pan on and use regular canola oil and dip in the onion. The onion takes a little bit longer to cook, and after that you put the garlic in as well. And quick after that, it's the egg time. And stir in the beginning to become more of a scramble, and try to keep the egg separate from the vegetables. And once you feel the egg has a firm texture but not burnt, add the rice, and here I'm using cold rice. I actually cooked this rice 1 day ahead and then put it straight to the fridge. This technique by using cold rice here really helps to separate all the rice grains and also to make it more fluffy and nice fried rice. And since I'm cooking a Thai fried rice here, I'm using a Thai thin soya sauce. And also there, ask your local shop, they will know better than you, probably. And here so I'm dipping in some fish sauce as well. Stir, and really break all the rice grains apart to make the fried rice fluffy and smooth. And I like to taste it and then add some white pepper if necessary, usually is when cooking Thai fried rice. And usually the vegetable you use is not green peas actually, but I find it to match the flavor of the boiled shrimp very good. So this is my version of the Thai fried rice, I guess, but go with any vegetable you really like. I guess this is the message I really want to break out to you. Try different versions. Fried rice is a concept, it's not a recipe. Mix and try whatever stuff you like. And my version is probably not your favorite fried rice. It might be okay, but you really need to try what you like and what style you like. I like a lot of fish sauce, that's why I like the Thai fried rice, but if you want to have a sweeter and different flavor, go for another version. One of my other favorite fried rices, for example, is Korean style with kimchi, but that's for another episode. And talking about episodes, if you're new to the channel and have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing for more upcoming food videos and to learn more about food from around the world. And back to the episode. I'm gonna use 2 different platings to plate up the fried rice. This is more of a communal or family style plating. This is my personal favorite. Put it on the table, give everyone small bowls, and everyone can take from the same big plate. And since pretty much all the restaurants are closed at the moment and you want to create a more restaurant feel to the plate, put the shrimps in the bottom, fill the bowl with the fried rice. And pack it kinda hard, but not too hard either. And yet for another magic trick. Put the bowl upside down to the plate and hope that everything stays together. And voila! The shrimps is on top and looks beautiful, and this creates a more restaurant feel of the dish. And this dish is not complete without a squeeze of lime. And here we have it, a Thai version of a shrimp fried rice with my twist by using green peas to complement the beautiful boiled shrimp. And as you know by now, this dish is not complete without the Prik pla. Fish sauce, chilies and garlic really helps to bring this beautiful shrimp fried rice together. And of course the squeezed lime. And if you want to go full Thai style here, we will be using a spoon and a fork. And take a piece of the shrimp, put it together with the rice, and this next part will probably not need any more explanation. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and I really hope to see you in the next episode. So if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and leave a like and a comment down below what you want me to cook next. And if you want to learn more about food from around the world, I'll leave a playlist in the end of this video for you to enjoy. I wish you a great day.